Sound can't travel in space, but that doesn't mean that things in space don't make noise. Through interpreting radio waves, we are able to hear the sounds of the universe. So here are some of my favorite sounds from space. The haunting screech of the Helix Nebula. The low, eerie howl of a supermassive black hole. The sound of two black holes merging. Next is the audio sonification of the hexagonal storm above Saturn. And lastly, the pleasant chirp of Earth. So which sound of the universe was your favorite?